Morning everyone, welcome back, and now it's time for maths. Today you are going to need to get all your objects out again. Make sure they're quite smallish ones so you can put them into groups, because we're going to be looking at tens and ones. Altogether you're going to need 50 objects. I'd like you to pause the video now for our warm-up and see if you can find the different numbers that are underneath our 50 chart. Can you have a really good look? The first one was 20. Where is 20? Well done, 20 is on the end of the row. Can you remember Tiny saying the other day, the numbers with 0 are on the end of the row? Find the number 40. Here it is, 40, 40. Find the number 16. Here it is, and 26. Remember, the numbers that end in the same digit have a place in the same column. So 16, 26 are underneath each other. They both end in 6. Today we're going to be learning a little bit more about tens and ones in numbers up to 50. How many birds are there in this picture? If you look closely, you'll see that there's 10 birds on each tree. So you could count the birds on the trees in tens. We've got 1, 2, 3 tens. Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30. 30 birds on the trees. But we've got 3 birds on their own. We had 30. Oh no, there's 4 birds on their own, not in a tree. 10, 20, 30. Let's count the 4 birds that are the ones. 31, 32, 33, 34. There are 34 birds. 3 tens. How many ones? 4 ones. 3 tens. 4 ones. 34. So one tree has 10 birds. There are 3 full trees. And how many more birds? 4 more birds. How many straws are there? We know that a bundle is 10. How many bundles of 10 are there? 1 bundle, 2, 3, 4. That means there are 4 tens. So that is 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many straws are on their own? 1, 2, 3. So one bundle has 10 straws. There are 4 bundles of 10. And how many more straws? 3 more straws. Can you make your objects into 4 groups of 10 and 3 more? Pause the video while you do this. Once you've done that, How many do you have altogether? Let's count the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Do you have 43 objects? Remember that 10 ones is equal to 1 10. Can you say that? 10 ones is equal to 1 10. 10 ones is equal to 1 10. So have a little look now. I know that you're ready for this challenge. How many are there? How many tens are there? How many ones are there? How many tens? 3 tens. Brilliant. This is 1 10. The yellow ones are tens, aren't they? Because there are 10 cubes stacked up together. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 tens. And the red ones are just ones. How many ones? 6 ones. How many is that altogether? Let's count up in tens 3 times. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 altogether. Can you make your objects into 3 tens and 6 ones? And altogether you should have 36. And Tiny says, how about 35? He says 35 is equal to 3 tens. So can you put your objects into 3 piles of 10 and 5 ones, 5 separate ones to make 35? Can you make 35? What about this number? Wow, it's a big number. 42. How many tens are in 42? Count the tens on the screen. There are 4 tens in 42. 10, 20, 30, 40. And the ones are there as well. 41, 42 and 2 ones. Can you have a go at using your objects to work out the answer to these questions? What about this question? You can do it. So boys and girls, I'd like you to look back at those questions on the screen and have a go at showing and explaining those numbers using tens and ones. For example, we would say 23 is 2 tens, 2 groups of 10, 10, 20, and 3 more ones, 21, 22, 23. You're going to use your objects, and I'd love to hear you explaining them, thinking about tens and ones. Can't wait to see your work.